division of a line segment. When we call about division of a line segment, if you have a line segment AB and you can find that the point C belongs to AB, we can say that the point C divides AB internally in the ratio M2 to M1. Point C divides AB internally in the ratio M2 to M1. And if you find that AB just like that, AB AB just like that, and the point C outside, this is A and this is B, and the point C outside, we can say that the point C divides AB externally in the ratio M2 to M1. And when we say C divides AB, we first take CA and then take CB. This will be M2 and this will be M1. This is about the meaning of division of a line segment. We're going to be clear if we have a question. If the point A equal -3 and -7, the point B equal 4 and 0, find the point C which divides AB internally in the ratio 5 to 2. Look carefully at the question and start to understand the way. We have firstly a table just like that. Your table is going to have 3 parts, 2 horizontal and 3 vertical. And here we will have the first point, which is A. And the second point, which is B. And here the X, and here the Y, and here the ratio, which is 5 to 2. And because it's internally, we take 5 to 2 as it is. And then we start to write the coordinates of the point A. It's -3 and -7, and B 4 and 0. Look carefully, I'm going to get an ordered pair. I'm going to have ordered pair, the point of intersection, the point of division, okay? So your C is going to be ordered pair consists of X and Y. So X is going to be, look carefully, you have crisscross, -3 times 2 plus 4 times 5. Another time, -3 times 2 plus 4 times 5 over the sum of the ratio. It's 5 plus 2. It's going to be -6 plus 20, 14 over 7, which is 2. So here we have 2. And next, to find Y. To get Y, also here we make -7 times 2, it's -14. And the 5 times 0, was it 0? 5 times 0, it's going to be 0. It's plus 0 over 5 plus 2, which is 7. So the result will be -2. So our point of division is going to be 2 and the -2. Another question. Find the point C, which lies quarter the distance between A and B. If you think about this, we are going to divide the distance between A and B in 4 equal parts. How many points do we need? If you have A and B here, and this is A, and this is B, and we need to divide in 3 equal parts, 4 equal parts, so we just need 3 points. Inside we need 3 points. So find the point C, quarter the distance. We need the point C which lies quarter the distance. Quarter the distance means it's 4 parts. So here, part, another part. Let me put A here and B here. And 1, 2, 3. And here is 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. So this is point C, which divides the distance between A and B into 4 equal parts, and here this will be quarter the distance. So if this 1 part, it is going to be how many? 3 parts. 3 parts. Any question? And now you are going to find the C. Let me say that this is our table. Your relation is going to be 1, 2, 3. Because we started from A and put A here, because we started from A, it's 2 and 3, and the B, 6 and negative 1. Another time, we say it's ratio between, distance between A and B. This time I started from B, yes, if you started from B, you will find that the ratio will be 3 to 1. And you will get the same result. And here, you can find that the point C is going to be an ordered pair, contains x and y. And here x is going to be 3 times 2, 6. 1 times 6, 6. Over 1 plus 3, 4. It's going to be 3. And then to get y, it's going to be negative 1 times 1, negative 1. 3 times 3, 9. Plus 9 over 1 plus 3, 4. It's going to be 2. So your point is going to be 3 and 2. If C belongs to AB ray and doesn't belong to AB line segment. C belongs to AB ray and it doesn't belong to AB line segment. How can I draw it? I will draw a straight line, and this is A and this is B. This is A and this is B. And this is C. Okay, let me try. He said that AC twice AB. AC twice AB. AC twice AB. So this part will be 1 and this part will be 1. Another time. A from here, AC over AB will be 2 over 1. So AC 2 parts and AB 1 part. So this is going to be 1, 2, 1. So we want to get the point C. The point C. The point C. The point C divides AB in the ratio 2 to 1, not 1 to 1, because here the parts 2 and 1, 1 and 1, but C here is outside. So CA is going to be 2, CA is going to be 2, CA, the ratio will be 2, and AB will be CA and CB will be 1. CB will be 1. CB will be 1. Beside that, CAB. So we take CA 2 and CB, which is 1. So your ratio will be here A and here B, and here the ratio from C to A. How many? 2. And from C to B, 1. And write A, 3 and 1. And write B, 4 and 2. Another. To find the C. C is going to be our ordered pair. 1 times 3, 3. 4 times 2, 8. So the X will be 1 times 3, 3. 2 times 4, 8. 3 plus 8, 11 over 3. And here it's going to be 11 over 3. And 2 times 2, 4. 1 times 1, 1 over 3. I made something wrong. Why? The division here division here is externally. So I must give a negative sign to one of them. I must give sign to one of the two ratios. I must give sign to one of the two ratios, any one of them. Here, for example, will be -2. Yes, right. And start to make x and y. Look here, to make x, it's going to be 1 times 3, it's 3. 2 times -4, it's -8 over -2 plus 1, -2 plus 1, it will be -5 over -1, which is 5. And the y is going to be 1 times 1, 1 minus 4 over -1, -1 minus 4, -3 over -1 is going to be 3. So the point here is going to be 3. So this is our point which divides it externally. Another time, we say that C doesn't belong to AB, so the division is external. So we put it outside. We say that AC equal to AB. And if we deal with AB, so find the relation between CA and CB. CA2 and CB1. So this is our division. And because it's outside, we put negative beside the sign here. One of them, any one of them give the same result. So I start to make 3 times 1, -4 times 2. Or 4 times -2, and 2 times -2, it will be -4 minus 1, and all of them over -2 plus 1, which is -1, and they get the point C. You have the point A, 5 and 2, and the point B, 2 and -1. Find the ratio of that. The two axes divides AB and the coordinates of the division point. You know that if we draw A and B as a line segment and you're using the coordinates, for example, A and B will be just like that. 5 and 2, for example, will be here. This is going to be your A. And the second point was, the B was 2 and the -1. For example, it's going to be here, 2 and -1. This will be B. And he asked about if you join A and B together, if we join them together, they will meet x-axis and also will meet y-axis. He is asking about how the x-axis, for example, if the intersection with x-axis at the point C and the intersection y-axis at the point D. If you see that he asked about finding the C and the D and also about finding the ratio. It's the first time to ask about the ratio in senior 1. C is going to be x and 0. What about D? It's going to be 0 and 1. So here we just need to have one value and here to have one value to get the points. But before that, he's asking about the ratio. How can I find the ratio in senior 1? Look carefully. The point C divides A, B, right? So I'm talking about the ratio, right? I'm going to write A and B. I'm going to write A and B. Here is A and here is B. A equals how many? A equals 5 and 2. And the B equals 2 and the -1. Can you see? And we need M2 and the M1. We want to get the ratio. What about the point C? Doesn't it equal x and 0? Don't we have the value of the y? So from the value of the y, which is 0, we can find the ratio. Because if you apply the rule, -1 times M2, it will be -M2 plus 2 times M1, it will be 2. M1 over M2 plus M1, this is going to be 0 from this part, right? If you multiply here by 0, if you multiply here by 0, now we have -M2 plus 2 M1 going to be 0 because this times 0 equals 0. Move M2 to the other side. So 2M1 equals M2. From here, then M2 over M1 will be 2 to 1 or 2 over 1 as a ratio. That x-axis divides our AB is going to be 2 to 1, and because it's positive, it's going to be internally. It's positive, so it's going to be internal. And if it's negative, it's going to be external. Let's talk about the point C. The point C, let me find the point C. By the way, if we put here 2 and 1, if we put here 2 and 1, can we find the x part? Yes, 2 times 2 will be 4, and 1 times 5 will be 5. To find coordinates of C, it will be 2 times 2 times 2 plus 5 times 1. 2 plus 2 times 2 plus 5 times 1 over 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 5, 9 over 3 will be 3. So the point C equals 3 and 0. Let me find the point of intersection with y-axis. The point of intersection with y-axis, D, is going to be 0 and 1. So here, when we have a table, we put A and B. We put A and B. And the division ratio M2 and M1. The division ratio M2 and M1. And the division ratio. We put A, how many? The A equal 5 and the 2. And the B 4 and negative 2. Which part is going to be 0? The x part or the y part? X part is going to be 0. And it will be 5M1 plus 4M2 over M1 plus M2. This is going to be 0, right? And then multiply M1 plus M2 times 0 will be 0. So we have 5M1 plus 4M2. This is going to be 0. So 5M1 will be negative 4M2. In this case, M2 to M1 is going to be 5 over 4 or negative 5 to 4. So the ratio will be 5 to 4. Because it's negative, it's going to be external. Now it's here 5 and 4. Move to the table. This is 5 or negative 5 to 4. Now can I find the y value? Yes. 4 times 2 to find the D. Find D. We wanted to find the y value because the x value is going to be 0. We wanted to find y value. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. And negative 2 times negative 5 will be 10. Plus 10 over how many in the denominator? Negative 5 plus 4, it will be negative 1. So it will be negative 18. Another time. Can we see? Can we see that? Another time. It's 5 and the 2 and the 2 and the negative 1. I wrote the B wrong here. 5 and the 2 and the B. 4 and the negative 2. 4 and the negative 2. Write it from the beginning class. I wrote B wrong. The point B here is 2 and negative 1. We're going to be here 2 and the negative 1. So let me start talking about the point D. The point D, its coordinate of x equals 0. So m5 m1 plus 2 m2 over m1 plus m2 is going to be 0. Now 5 m1 plus 2 m2 is going to be 0. And here 5 m1 will be negative 2 m2. And here we can get that m2 over m1 equal 5 or negative 5 over 2. So this is the ratio of y-axis. D divides AB, negative 5 over 2 external, 5 to 2 externally. Now time to get the y. It's 2 times 2 plus negative 5 times negative 1 over negative 3. Here it will be 4 plus 5 over negative 3. It's going to be 9 over negative 3. This will be negative 3. And then the point D is going to be 0 and negative 3. Your homework will be page 109, question 4 and 5, Mary and the Queens. Thank you.